Hi guys, it's time for this week's Fireside Chat. So as usual, we have, whoops, Fire, we have the dogs. I believe the cat is also somewhere around here. So today we're going to be talking about survey research and surveys used for assessment purposes. Which really separates out the surveys used mostly to collect anecdotal information. And the one thing that always surprises me is just how little consideration we give to the surveys that we tend to develop in order to answer assessment questions or even to explore things like curriculum issues or to develop a course of action. And very often we throw these things together. We don't consider, what do we already know? How can we keep a survey shorter simply by being able to tap into the resources that we already have? Certainly now with software that's quite easy to use, easy to launch, easy to employ, more than ever, we are really engaging in an overage of survey use to the point where most people who see one link in their inbox probably start to think, enough. So we want to use them carefully. We want to use them when there's really no other way to find the information, that we have no other potential means of accessing it or measuring it. And that will help, establish our credibility for when we do throw a survey out there. Our constituency tends to know we really weren't able to get this information in another manner. And it'll help us keep what survey we do launch brief and focused. One of your classmates sent me some very good survey readings that I have attached in this week's module. So as you do the readings, make sure that you take note of some of the rather critical things that are really not often discussed, especially in developing a survey, much of which is really sitting down with the stakeholders, really working on ensuring that the items that we write are clear, focused, meaningful, in a good order to elicit the most honest and open response, and that we've tested this survey prior to launch to ensure that it is being read and understood in the same manner we meant to develop it. So let's go through survey research so that the next one you launch is going to help you get the results that you really expect and that you really need.